episode of Vince Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your yeah. And today we've got one from South Korea. This is Wonderpokki, and it's a Rapokki, a sweet and spicy Rapokki, and it's wonderful, so they say. What do we do here? We gotta put everything in a bowl. Hot water to line, 2.5 minutes at 700 watts in the old microwave. Noodle block, tteokbokki. You don't eat the sachet of desiccant here. They have to say that because somebody's going to go like, "Wow, what's that? That's fancy. That's some kind of fancy Asian seasoning." Little known fact though, you are not going to die if you eat that. It's going to pass through you, but it isn't food, so it's like, you know, every kid goes, "So crayons are non-toxic." Yeah. So I could eat them. You could. You couldn't live off of them. I don't know that they would be fun to pass, but you know, whatever. So this is going to be a spicy sweet powdering. And a lot of red stuff. A lot of, smells like paprika. Here we are. I'm going to add some hot-ish water. Kind of a funny little thing it says too. Here, let's get this up to the line. That's pretty good. And we're going to run that for 2.5 minutes at 700 watts. Okay. So I'm going to run this at 50% because, yeah, I don't want anything to explode and I want it to still be saucy. You know, saucy. So, that was weird. It's 2:30, so it looks like it's already at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Power level. It also says you can, to make it even better, you can just go ahead and stir it up after this and then microwave it for 20 more seconds, which I think I'll do. I'll give that a try. What does it say exactly? For a for better taste, mix it evenly and microwave for 20 more seconds. I'll do that. You might be wondering, what's that all about? What's the big bag of flour for, Ramen Raider guy? Well, I haven't done this in a long time, but I'm gonna make some bread. Yes, bread. Yeah. And I'm gonna take some. I got a 5-pack of Ramen, which is a jajang noodle that comes with a soup on the side, and I'm going to make a jajang bread with I'll probably throw spring onion and chashu in with it. I think it'll be good. And then I'm also going to make like an au jus out of the soup that usually comes with it. So that'll be out. Just look up Ramen bread and you'll see it. It'll be out by then. It's so weird talking to people that are already in February. You're now like looking towards Valentine's Day. Wow. Yeah, we just had Labor Day. So yeah. Yes, sirree. And tomorrow the kids go back to school. That's a big deal around here when you have two children going back to school. Yum. And oh, we got a Wii, not a Wii U, not a Switch. We have a Wii. We got this little thingy that you plug it in, and it lets you plug it into HDMI. All right, no explosion. That's good. Yeah, it definitely needs stir. Ah, I gotcha. They should just make this part of the directions. Wow, this is not this Wonderpokki. 20 more seconds, huh? I'll do it. Oh, crud. Yeah, I gotta make that for my wife for dinner. Sweet, I'll do that. My wife absolutely loves Rapokki, and yeah, I gotta make her that for dinner. My dinner was very involved last night, so I'll make her a fancy dinner tonight. 20 seconds. Going at full 1250 watts, folks. Oh my, I'm watching it close. I don't want any explosives. I'd like that sauce to cook down a little. Okay, that should do the trick. And here we are. Yeah, we got a Wii, and I went on to our Buy Nothing group. If you don't know what that is, there's probably one around you. Buy Nothing is basically the idea of people give you free junk, or you can like go on there and go, hey, I've got to give. I've got this or that, like a table or some kids' clothes or junk like that. And I asked, you can do an ask or a give. I didn't ask. Has anybody got Wii Sports or any Wii games? Somebody hooked us up. So now I've got Wii, all the way home. I don't know. We got a bunch of Wii games now, and that's cool. Yeah. Here is the stuff. I am ready to give this a try. This sounds freaking delightful. I really like Rapokki. It doesn't seem like it's taken on a lot of the liquid, which is kind of a bummer. I mean, it's hydrated, but it's not as saucy as I like Rapokki to be. Here's the noodle. It's pretty good. And this is the rice cake, tubular. As you can see, that sauce is rather thin and plentiful. I would say less than up to the line. If you're making this recreationally, that's something I can't do. But it's good. I'd love to have it thicker, but it's okay without being thicker. And we will now... Ooh, do I do that? No, I'm not going to do that. That always looks so stupid. I was going to put some mung bean sprouts in. But I know if I do that... Are we centered? We're kind of centered. If I put mung bean sprouts, it's just going to look like these bleached things hanging out. And I hate that. That makes me really bummed. It like ruins the whole concept of the plating. When you look at it, you can tell it's kind of like a hard thing to plate nicely. It looks better when it's all intermingled, and it just doesn't do that. Let's start with some chashu. And what do we got here? I took out 3. I'm doing a tonkatsu next, so I want 2 that look close. We'll do this guy. Some chashu. So chashu is made from pork belly, and if you ever go to a Korean restaurant, do not, if you have the opportunity, miss out on the Jeju pork belly. Jeju Island is a really nice little place, and I haven't been there, but they have pork there, and they have bellies, and boy, the bellies of those pork, sensational. Let's slice you. There you go. Hey. Okay, and then we need, let's see, I will put some mung bean sprouts. Generally, you're not going to find mung bean sprouts in Korean stuff. You're going to find soybean sprouts, which are good too. I mean, there's nothing wrong with soybean sprouts. Nothing at all. Here's some of that. Add some spring onion. Yeah, I might have to devour this. I'm kind of trying to set myself up for going on a diet starting tomorrow. Maybe a little sesame, not much, but a little. Oh, that looks good. It looks good enough to eat. Yes. Look at that. Gaze upon the flavor. Ow! I banged my head into the range hood. Perhaps when my wife comes out, she's gonna take me to the hospital for that. Yeah, that looks good. I am thrilled. Absolutely thrilled. I'm trying to do intros and outros on each episode of this show lately because I have a little bit of extra time to mess around with when I do this because I'm doing so few reviews. It's fun. I do a different, what do you call it? Oof. Just feels like it's gonna fall over. Yeah. Whoa. Why is everything not being good? Like that. I want to get you just plumb bob right in the middle here. Get. Like that, Rotato. We'll see if that works. is this. This is a tonkatsu ramen. And I found this at H Mart, actually. I've done a couple other ones. This is from Yamadai of Japan, and it's for the US market. The other ones I found were at S Mart. So, yeah. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, maybe get a membership. Hey, why not? Have a good one. Bye-bye.